Are you searching for ways to improve your folder gluer productivity? Maybe you've noticed that some of your competitors have automatic or fully automatic packers. And maybe one of those options could be the right solution for you. In this video, I'm going to compare automatic packers and fully automatic. Hi, Mathieu here. As director at IMPACK, I've managed hundreds of projects that involve all levels of automation. Since my early days with IMPACK, one of the most common things I have repeatedly seen is that clients are always tempted by fully automatic packers. But in many cases, those packers are not the right fit for them. In this video, I'll compare automatic packers to fully automatic, and we'll walk you through how to choose the best for your production. Automatic packers. The automated packing process is where the machine becomes the key factor. The operator does the background tasks such as feeding the cases or managing full cases. It partially automates your packing process. Some examples of automatic packers are Bob's Carton Pack 4, Heidelberg's Diana Packer, WSI Express Pack, and Graphic West Packaging J-Pack. IMPACK's automatic packer is the VIRTUO. Advantages of automatic packers. First, high production speed. Automatic packers are designed for dedicated production. Hence, increasing the packing speed is their main goal. Second, ergonomic is less of a problem compared to semi-auto packers. The staff is now limited to background tasks in an auto packer process. Third, consistent productivity. Auto packers offers more consistent productivity than semi-auto packers because they are less influenced by the limitations of a human. Disadvantages of automatic packers. First, they still need human operation. Automatic packers offer high packing speed, but they still need human supervision for background tasks. Second, less versatile than semi-auto packers. As you move into higher automation, you are gradually sacrificing versatility for performance. And third, longer and more challenging installation and setup. For example, the VIRTUO Auto Packer's setup time is approximately 10 minutes, and you still need some time for fine-tuning when starting your gluer. In contrast, the ERGOSA semi-auto packer's setup time is as short as 5 minutes. Finally, auto packers cost more than semi-auto packers. The higher the automation, the greater the cost. Realistically, there's always a trade-off between cost, versatility, and performance. An automatic packer is best when you have long production runs, you have medium to very large sized boxes, you have similar box formats, or you have simple boxes that do not need constant adjustments. Here, IMPACK's VIRTUO would be a great fit. Fully automatic packers. This is the highest possible level of automation. It doesn't require anymore the presence of an operator while running, as the staff is only involved in setups. However, it's also the most complex option requiring digital knowledge, a larger footprint, more money, and more advanced machine safety controls. An example of a fully automatic packer would be Bob's Carton Pack 4 with optional case erector. At IMPACK, you can easily upgrade from auto to fully auto by simply adding the automatic case feeder to your VIRTUO. This makes one of the only fully automatic packer that exists on the market for both corrugated and carton boards. Advantages of fully automatic packers. First, top production speed. If extreme productivity is required, fully automatic packers can be a perfect fit. Second, constant productivity. If you're running large volumes with standardized boxes, you need consistency and speed. And for that, fully auto packers are the only viable option. No other packer can match their productivity. Disadvantages of fully automatic packers. First, most costly and complex. Their installation is more precise and technical, and they are more expensive than any other packaging option as a one-time cost. Plus, they are more limited in terms of what they can do. Second, laser-focused on dedicated tasks and requires strict safety measures. With a semi-auto packer, you still have access to the boxes for inspection and quality control. In contrast, with a fully auto packer, all access is restricted, and if you ever need inspection or have a problem, you have to shut it down completely. It is also more limited in boxes, shape, and formats, and usually dedicated to high volume and simple boxes. A fully automatic packer is best when you have all the requirements we've named, you want to fully automate your packing process and reach a zero human operation, or you're interested in advanced monitoring and Industry 4.0. And here, VIRTUO with ACF would be the best fit. Ready to choose a packer? If you're still unsure and you're interested in a free productivity analysis to examine your production and better understand your needs, contact us today. It doesn't imply any sort of commitment from your side and it's completely free. Thanks for watching and see you soon!